So let's check out what I've been working on today at the Soil Bar. Here is our hand-painted sign. It just so happens to fit perfectly inside of this seat cushion area of the Papasan chair. So I'm actually going to mount it in there so that, and then mount this to the wall and it'll kind of stand away from the wall, kind of popping out, and then I can also hang plants from each of those things. And then it's a beautiful day out. Here's the other part of the Papasan chair. Just added some more lighting on the inside. And then this is a little IKEA shelf. Not IKEA shelf. Actually, wait, yeah, I think it is IKEA. That had glass shelves, and then I took out the top shelf that was solid and swapped it for a glass one, and the glass one that was right there, so that one's just a little bit of a taller space, taller shelf. I have a hanging chair put up, and then I'll put some more potted plants up here. Now, if this was something I had in my home as a hanging chandelier, I would definitely have more decorative pots. But being that this is my little garden shed area, just using regular old nursery pots. Let's see what else we got. These are some of my concrete planters that I make. There's sculpture I did, and it is really messy back there, but that's my potting area and also where I mix my concrete and do all kinds of experiments out there and stuff.